Hi everyone, welcome to Chef Jill Does That. My name is Jill Sienna and I am your chef. I encourage you to click below to subscribe for more videos, tips, and tricks. And also be sure to check out my website, ChefJillDoesThat.com, for easy ways to navigate your kitchen. Today we're making easy one-pan carbonara, a simple pasta dish that comes together quickly and will please everybody in your family. I'm going to show you all of the ingredients you need plus the equipment so that you can get set and ready to go. Now that we've got everything set up, let's go. And there you go. You made your first meal by Chef Jill Sienna. If you need to see any of that again or would like a printable recipe to follow along at home, click below for a link to my website, ChefJillDoesThat.com. Don't forget to click subscribe below to see more creations as they come. Chef Jill does that, and so can you.